Let's meet Mr. Steven, lives in USA. From the last few days, he was planning to own a brand new car. But he did not have so much savings to buy a new one. He became devastated. At the meanwhile, one of his friends suggested him to opt for used cars available for sale as it has much lower depreciation value than a new one. While scrolling down the internet, he found Car Depot, the leading local used car dealer in the USA. They have a great inventory of best-conditioned, well-maintained used sedans, SUVs, trucks, vans for sale. They always take an extra step to ensure that their vehicles are professionally cleaned and sanitized. Their experts always help their clients to choose the right car best suited their automotive needs and budget. Even they provide the best possible car loan at the desired interest rate to make their car buying dream successful. So, without hesitating, he immediately visited their inventory and found the right car. Are you searching for the same? Contact them now by dialing 1-626-469-0034. For more further details, you can browse through https://cardepotag.com/.